Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape with another outdoor landscape transformation. As you can see, this two-tier retaining wall that we put in within 1 day for the customer allowed for them to be able to occupy a space that was once just a hillside and never able to be dealt with. And so now this customer is going to be able to do a lot of outdoor spring planting. They're going to be able to no longer have to look at this hillside, and now they have this beautiful two-tier retaining wall, and it definitely just gives you an opportunity to see exactly how we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around. Now, in addition to this beautiful retaining wall, we've also been here several times with a lot of other outdoor landscape transformations, such as what you see within these crab orchard steps, but also what you see on this side of the landscape with these crab orchard steps. Several years ago, we were able to give this customer a complete landscape design that allowed for them to no longer have to worry about the erosion on their landscape. And now what we've been able to do with this two-tier retaining wall is provide them with an opportunity to not only be able to utilize this space, but also to be able to make the most of this space. But that's just what we do each and every time right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.
I'll be saying that all right.